Hey friends, if you wish to change the country on your Google account, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now go to accounts.google.com and hit enter. Now enter your account details and log in using the PIN or password, whichever is preferable to you. Okay. Now after this, you can go to personal information and you can check for all the information here. And then you can also change the home address. Okay, now when you save the home address, it will also save the default country for you. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.